Hey guys, what is going on? It's RC Knockout and I am once again back with another video. I'm back out here at Warren Dunes State Park in Michigan. I'm right along Lake Michigan. I have got my Traxxas / two-wheel drive out, aka the cheapest Traxxas project. Now, in one of the most recent videos, I was running this thing for the very first time with this new RPM clipless body mount, and it just did not work. Every single time I jumped, the clip came out from up underneath of this, or the body actually came out from up underneath of this, because this would flex forward so darn much. I don't know if you can see that. So the only thing I could think to do, at least for now, is like a temporary fix, I guess you could say, is zip tie it. So I'm going to zip tie this, and hopefully that'll hold the front down while we bash. But my plan is to go rip this around in the sand. So it's a little bit different than last time. Last time I believe I did not have, I don't think I had Prolines on it at all. I'm pretty sure I just had the stock Traxxas / 4x4 Ultimate tires on, so with the red beadlock and the chrome wheels, and I had the red and black body on, not this blue one. So things have changed a little bit, so we will see how these ones grip up compared to the stock ones. Other thing I broke in the last video was I broke a shock shaft and a drive shaft. So I decided to go with the same ones, the Integy drive shafts, another hardened steel one. I got another set, replaced one on this side, and I also replaced a shock with a new shock. But let me go ahead and get it turned on. We're running 3S, and we're gonna go rip around in the sand. This should be a heck of a lot of fun. All right, guys, we're gonna get started with the two-wheel drive slash, and we're gonna see how this thing holds up. We're gonna go up over here, and we're gonna rip around in the sand. Just check out that view of Lake Michigan. Absolutely breathtaking. I really need to keep momentum up in the sand. Let's get across here, guys. She's an absolute ripper. Can we make it all the way up the hill? No doubt. This is where I really wish I had paddle tires, guys. Two-wheel drive life. I really need a lot of momentum if I'm gonna make it up that hill. Maybe. Nope. Not quite. Not quite enough momentum. I think it hit low voltage mode, but don't worry guys, I got a few more batteries with me. Hook them up and keep on going. All right guys, I've got a freshly charged LiPo pack in, so let's keep on ripping. All the way up there, guys. Ooh, got a little bit of air there. Ooh. All right, guys, we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna try bringing it up the hill and jumping it. All right, guys, here we go. We're upright. Take it back down. Oh! Okay, I'm just gonna gut it down this, and let's get a little bit of air. Ooh, upright. Air. no, come on. Crap, I gotta go up there and get it. Right, guys, this is steep stuff. Also, guys, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, because I really put a lot of time and effort into making these videos. So if you could take one quick second, leave a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it, because I'm tired. Here we go. Bring her back this way, guys. Oh, hey, we're upright. Off the jump. Oh. Hey, we're upright. Give that a thumbs up, guys. Well, it doesn't have enough momentum. It's not gonna. I'm gonna have to really go up over there, bring it down to get enough momentum come up that. There we go. Nice. That was awesome, guys. Gonna jump it again. Whoa. Oh, and it turned off that time. That did like a freaking roll in the air. Let's get down to it. Ooh. There we go. Mouthful of sand. She hit low voltage mode, guys. Bummer. Give this video a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Make sure to subscribe. Later.